Hi, you were wondering which service is the best in the best web hosting category. After going through a huge number of hosting sites, I chose the most reliable one for myself. It is packed with features and has almost everything you need from a web hosting service. In this short video, I will show you 5 useful features that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. I will leave the link to the official website below this video. Look carefully at the screen so as not to miss the most important thing.
Linode is an American cloud computing company that can provide developers with everything they need to get started quickly. Linode also offers additional services, such as infrastructure management, so-called NodeBalancers, which are load balancers as a service, DNS dispatcher, block and object storage, professional consulting, and more. Although Linode was founded as a company built by developers for developers, they continue to follow and grow with technology trends in an effort to serve a broader customer base. Linode's official website is incredibly user-friendly and brimming with information about the company and all of its products, and the same can be said of its blog. In addition to English, the site is available in German, Spanish, Portuguese, Korean, and Japanese. As for social media, you can subscribe to Linode on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and GitHub. When hosting with Linode, you'll be billed by the hour, which means you'll only pay for what you've used. In addition, all plans can be upgraded or downgraded with no problem, giving you the flexibility you rarely find with most providers. You can choose between shared and dedicated CPUs, high memory plans, GPU-optimized plans, deploy fully management Kubernetes clusters, or use bare metal solutions combining non-virtualized hardware with the flexibility of a virtual machine. In general, there are many options that, combined with affordable prices, should make any tech-savvy person feel like a kid visiting a candy store. If you're in the mood to skimp, your safest bet is the plan with the lowest total CPU, and for $5 per month, it will provide 1 GB of RAM, 1 core CPU, 25 GB of SSD storage, 1 TB of the network transfer, 40 GB per second network in, and 1 GB per second network out. There are 10 plans of this type, and the more money you are willing to spend, the more of these features you get. Linode offers a 7-day money-back guarantee and a $100 promotional coupon that you can use for 60 days before the service charges begin. Available payment methods with Linode include credit cards, PayPal, checks, and money orders. If you can't wait to use Linode's cloud solutions, be sure to use the $100 promotional free credit by signing up with them from the appropriate page. To get this, you can sign up via Google, GitHub, or email, go through the verification process, and proceed to create a Linode account. You will need to provide your payment information along with your credit or debit card to do this, as it will be used as the default payment method for your account. Please note that Linode will temporarily block $1 to authorize your card. After the promotional period expires, you will be charged for the services you use. Once you do, you should get a couple of step-by-step guides that walk you through the installation process. While these guides simplify the process nicely, you are still expected to have at least some level of technical know-how. The Linode control panel is designed with simplicity in mind, but you get stuck somewhere along the way, you can call the Linode support team for help. But if you get stuck somewhere along the way, you can call the Linode support team for help. Here you can select your web server, its location, the hosting plan you want, set your password, and add backups for extra money. Although Linode doesn't provide a control panel per se, its hands-on guide can walk you through the process and even give you advice on which control panel is right for you. You'll just have to buy a license for the one you want separately from Linode and install it. In addition to Intel E5 processors, SSDs, SSH access, 40 GB per second networking, and root access, Linode provides stack scripts with which you can customize your templates. Linode Manager is as user-friendly as it gets, and works as a one-stop solution for booting, deploying, cloning, and managing all aspects of your cloud server as a whole. If you find it too difficult to manage your server, Managed Services is available as an add-on. However, be prepared to pay $100 per month for each Linode computer instance with your account. Linode provides a 99.99% uptime guarantee on all of its hardware and network connectivity, verified by an SLA. This means that if your site fails by more than 0.01% in any given month, you have the right to request a prorated credit for downtime in excess of the warranty. If you want to contact Linode support before signing up with them, you can do so by phone, number, ticket, email, IRC chat, and fax. Phone and email support should be at your service 24/7, 365. But if you are currently a customer of theirs, you can expect a quicker response. The community questions and answers section can also be very useful, as the forums post messages from users all over the world and provide solutions to a variety of questions and problems. Although the forum is not too busy, it is well stocked, as most questions are answered by Linode staff or other users on or before the day. You can also check the document and resource finder section with quick answers and detailed guides, some of which are surprisingly easy for newcomers.